This land is your land, and this land is my land, from the California.
We interrupt this program to bring you a very important message from the battle lines. The Battle of Stalingrad is officially over. I repeat, the Battle of Stalingrad is officially over. The bloody fray lasted for about 7 months, starting on July 7, 1942, and ending on February 2, 1943. The combined casualty list for the entire battle is estimated at 1,530,000 killed, wounded, or captured. This includes 790,000 Soviet casualties and 740,000 Axis casualties. On top of all of this, it is estimated that nearly 7,700 troops died per day in this horrific battle. The German offensive to capture Stalingrad commenced in late summer 1942 and was supported by intense Luftwaffe bombing, which reduced much of the city to rubble. The German offensive eventually became mired in building-to-building fighting, and despite controlling over 90% of the city at times, they were unable to dislodge the last Soviet defenders. On November 19, 1942, the Red Army launched a two-pronged attack targeting the Romanian and Hungarian troops, which were protecting the Sixth Army's flanks. The success of these attacks caused the weakly held flanks to collapse and the Sixth Army to be cut off and surrounded inside Stalingrad. As the Russian winter set in, the Sixth Army weakened rapidly from cold, starvation, and ongoing Soviet attacks. Command ambiguity coupled with Adolf Hitler's resolute belief in the power of the will and value of standing fast further compounded the German predicament. Eventually, the failure of outside German forces to break the encirclement, coupled with the failure of resupply by air, caused the final collapse. By the beginning of February 1943, Axis resistance in Stalingrad had ceased. The German General Palace, with nearly the entire German Sixth Army destroyed, officially surrendered to the Russian General Zhukov on February 2nd.
This land was made for you and me.